learn some jokes and tell jokes like while Will's fixing his keyboard. What? Low, middle. Low, middle, high.
I'm just trying to find some place where I can lay my head. Well, mister, can you tell me where a man might find a bed? He just grinned, he shook my hand, and no was all he said. Take a load out, man. Take a load for free. Take a load out, man. And you put the load right on me.
Picked up my bags, I went looking for a place to hide. When I saw her coming and the devil walking side by side, I said, hey Carmen, come on, let's go downtown. She said, I gotta go, my friend can't stick around. Take a load out, friend. Take a load for free. Take a load out, friend. And you put the load right on me.
Now, Miss Moses, there ain't nothing you can't say. It's just over the man who's awaiting on the judgment day. Well, look, my friend, what about young Italy?
I said, do me a favor, son, won't you stick your man in company? Take a load off, man. Take a load for free. Take a load off, man. And you put the load right on me. Crazy Chester followed me and he caught me in the fall. Said I will fix it right if you check my call. I said wait a minute Chester, you know I'm a peaceful man. He said that's okay boy, won't you be whenever you can. Take a load off, man. Take a load for free. Take a load off, man. And put the load right on me. Catch a cannonball, might take me on down the line. My bag is single, and I do believe it's time to get back to Miss Fanny. You know she's the only one who's sent me there with her and God's for everyone. Take a load off, take a load for free. Take a load off there. And you put the load right on me.
Mr. Soundman, are we good on time? One more?